Once upon a time, there was a princess named Snow White. She was very beautiful. Beautiful means very nice to look at. Say it. Beautiful. Snow White's stepmother, the queen, was jealous. Jealous means you are unhappy because someone else has something you want. Can you say jealous? The queen wanted to hurt Snow White. Snow White ran fast into the forest. Fast is the opposite of slow. Repeat. Fast. In the forest, Snow White found a small house. 7 dwarfs lived there. The dwarfs were very friendly. Friendly means kind and nice. Say it. Friendly. Snow White stayed with the dwarfs. She was very helpful. Helpful means you do good things for others. Repeat. Helpful. The queen tricked Snow White. She gave her a poisoned apple. Poisoned means dangerous if you eat it. Say. Poisoned. Snow White ate the apple and fell into a deep sleep. Deep means very strong or long. Repeat. Deep. A prince helped Snow White wake up. Woke up means stop sleeping. Say. Woke up. Snow White was very happy. Happy means feeling good. The queen was gone, and everyone lived safely. Great job! You learned new words and enjoyed the story of Snow White. See you next time.